I'm here with Hayden Sykes of Corvus Robotics, where their AI-powered drones are taking your inventory management to new heights, literally. Hayden, start by telling us, how long have you been exhibiting here at ProMat?
So this is our fourth year at ProMat, but the first year we're actually doing a live demo.
A live demo, so that's an exciting reason to come by, but tell us, what is it that you're showcasing with that demo?
So Corvus Robotics, we do fully autonomous inventory drones. So one of the things that we can do a little bit differently is we can actually fly throughout the warehouse without any sort of stickering, beacons, things like that, capture videos, scan labels, do volumetrics, case counting, everything that your inventory team could do, we do it fully autonomously, faster, and more accurately.
I've seen it in action and it's pretty exciting. Now, is this something you're seeing a lot of out there, or how is this different from solutions already on the market?
Yeah, so we are starting to see this gain more traction overall. One of the big things that's different about us is how we actually navigate throughout the warehouse. It enables us to set up faster, handle changes more accurately throughout it. We don't have to install beacons within our warehouse. We don't have to sticker anything in order to navigate. We basically just build the digital twin, obstacle avoidance, all those different things.
All the things that we're hoping are making it safe and efficient in our warehouse. And now, why should someone stop by this week, or tell us a little bit more about why this is important to the people who attend ProMat?
Yeah, so stop by so you get an actual opportunity to see the drones fly. The general concept here is the drone's the really cool thing, but it's up in your racks, it's flying autonomously, it's flying when you're not working. So you may not get to see it once you actually deploy it on a regular basis. So this is a good chance. You should come by. Inventory is becoming more and more important. It's becoming more and more scarce. We saw that throughout COVID. We saw that with port strikes. So keeping your inventory as accurate as possible is going to continue to be the trend.
There you have it, AI-powered drones that take inventory for you. This was us live with Corvus Robotics on the show floor at ProMat 2025.